So we're going to talk about some basic logarithmic properties. All in all, there's like 8 properties that we're going to go over, and those are the properties of logarithms. But we're going to do 4, I think, in this particular section. So it'll take us a little while to get through them. But we'll start with these, what they call basic logarithmic properties. And it says, if you have log base b of 1, what does that equal? What does that equal? So think about it in exponential form. B to the x equals 1. How do you always get a 1 if if the base doesn't matter and we know the base isn't 0 and it isn't 1? So what does the exponent have to be? Well, the exponent has to be 0 in order for that to happen, right? If you have a base to the 0 power, that's going to equal 1. So here's the property. Log base b of 1. You can put parentheses around it if you want. I like the parentheses, but I won't this time. But that equals 0. So when the argument is 1, the logarithm equals 0. Okay, that's the first property. So you might want to make a chart of your properties. So there's number 1. What if you have log base b, so we don't know what the base is, but the argument is b? What does that always equal? What is that going to equal? Well, if you take b to some exponent and it always equals b, what's that exponent? 1, right? That's what's right there is a 1. Okay, so here comes the second property. Log base b of b. So when the argument matches the base, those two are the same, it's going to equal 1. Okay, those are our first 2 basic logarithmic properties. Now we're going to use them. Okay, so it says evaluate log base 7 of 7. So this is property 2. All right, and that just equals 1. Ta-da. There's not there's nothing more exciting that goes with that. Okay, so they're just the 2 properties and it's in that form, log base b of b, and that always equals 1. Okay. Second property, part B here. What is that going to equal? Well, this follows the form log. It's got some base 5, but the argument is 1. That always equals 0. So 0 is the answer, and we're done. Okay, we'll do the 2 more properties in the next video.